We're back again with Rier and Bob Wood at their store Completely Floored in Medford, Oregon, as they share with us why wood floors shrink and whose fault is it.
It usually has to do with relative humidity. Wider plank floors, anything 4 inches or wider, they want you to do a glue assist. So not only is the floor nailed down, but it's glued down as well. So if it's acclimated right, and you install it the way it's supposed to be installed with the glue assist underneath it, that should minimize that floor doing that. It'll also minimize the gaps that the floor, when you go from wet seasons to dry seasons, hot to cold. Wide plank floors really want to expand and contract and move around, and also cup like that. But if you do a glue assist, that really helps eliminate that. So it's usually because it's not installed right if they're doing that.
Well,
it'll probably go back down.
Yeah, it depends on the severity. It's repairable, but how extensive is that? Are we just doing a couple of plank replacements, or is that whole floor got to go out and a new floor put in? So it just depends on the severity.
And it's something that might lay back down flat when the humidity levels change. When you go from whatever season is making it do that, they'll start to lay back down. And wood floors, or even though they're milled and cut down, they're still a living product, and they move around, they expand, they contract, they do stuff. So we just try to install, use installation procedures that might minimize any of that happening.
The industry has really been moving towards the engineered board versus a solid board as well, for that very reason. The engineered board is a much more stable board. Cross-plank coring with a veneer on top is a way better product than a solid board. Solid boards are going to expand and contract much more than an engineered board. So there's that variable, which we're glad of. For years, we tried to educate our customers. So now we have a liquid primer that we can put on that wood substrate that creates a moisture barrier. We have other products that help with that glue assist that Ross was talking about. It has to be a moisture barrier over our wood floor.
Eliminates the old tar paper or asphalt paper that would go underneath the wood floor. When we do a glue assist, you could do that, but everywhere you do the glue assist, you'd have to cut the paper out, and it just becomes an installation nightmare. So with the glue assist floor, we just get rid of the paper. Like Bob said, we prime the floor with a waterproofing membrane liquid, and then we can glue assist right to the subfloor, and then fasten as well, and eliminate a lot of those.
We hope you enjoyed learning about why wood floors shrink and how you can prevent this disaster in the future. To keep learning with Wagner Meters, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos.